Good evening, everyone. Today we have topic that is the mutual fund gift. Now you will say कि I'm aware about mutual fund. I'm aware about the gift. So why you have taken this topic? So mutual fund gift is such a new concept that you have never think because rule has been changed and now you can directly gift your relative or anyone whatever you have purchased in past. You can directly give your mutual fund bond number or whatever you have the in your portfolio. You can gift, you can share to your relative or unrelated person, anyone. So let us discuss ki what is the process and before this law how it was working and what is the capital gain taxable, and with this rule whether it is beneficial for investor, beneficial for individual or not, or if it will be the beneficial, so whether I have to pay any income tax liability or whether there is some other taxes we have to pay. So today we are going to discuss about the mutual fund gift to anyone. So there is a two concept. One is the mutual fund and another is the gift. The mutual fund is a thing where one house created some pool. Let's assume ABC mutual fund house has created one pool where Mr. X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, M, M, L, whatever the person they someone has donated, someone has given 100, someone has given 1,000, someone given 1 lakh rupees, and once the pool is the big one, okay, then that house purchase some stock. They invest in government bond, they invest in gold, they invest in silver, and whatever they have the profit, they transfer to you as per your weightage of portfolio. Like in the pool it is the 5,000 rupees and your portion is only 100 rupees or 1,000. So according to that portion of the total fund of your investment, they provide the profit to you. So that is the mutual fund. And gift. Gift is the when anyone, like when we are going to birthday, so just we are taking some gift like bouquet, chocolate, diary, pen, some statue, anything. Okay. When we are going on the marriage function, then we are giving some gift. And in the right now it is the normal situation or scenario कि whatever the occasion, whether it is the normal occasion, whether it is the festival or anything, when we are visiting any one house, something we have to bring as a gift for their children, for themselves or anything. Okay, so gift is the normal thing in the today scenario. So one is the mutual fund that we have understand, and gift is the one thing from anything, any item, any money is coming from one person to another person. Okay, so that is the two topic. So that we I'm going to club mutual fund gifting to relative. So what is this? So this is the festival season, as you are saying, the winter carnival or Christmas is still going on 31st December, 1st January, and after that there are the lots of the festival, etc. All those things. So in that time we are, it is the a good thing to give the chocolate, some cookies, etc. All those things. Okay, but gifting is also like goods, someone that is the nearby, or we are into the business that we provide the some goods like we provide the diary, sometimes we provide the electronic item like micro oven, mobile phone, iPad. Okay, so that will depend okay, how I have to create relationship with that particular person. So that is the depend. Suppose that I want to give the 20,000 rupees gift to anyone, so definitely I have to find out कि my money is going around 20,000 rupees to Mr. XYZ. So whether I have the good relationship with him, whether I can achieve some good business benefit from him or her or not. If it is not, then definitely my mood will change and I can give the I can gift around 500, 1,000 rupees. That is the negligence for me. But when I'm giving the some significant amount as a gifting related to any goods, okay, then definitely there is a something in our mind. So we can give a gift as a good or goods or money. So sometimes it's happened between the family members. Suppose that I have transferred Bangalore, where I have seen the one home. Okay, I'm interested to buy. Then I have discussed with my father. The father is saying, Manish, how much you have to make the down payment? I'm saying, Papa, we have to make the down payment around 20 lakh rupees, and we can take the loan of the 80 lakh rupees. So that total cost is the 1 CR. So it can be done. So Papa ne bola ki how much you have? Then I have said around, I have saved around 12 lakh rupees. So my father has told me, it's okay. I can give the 20 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees, whatever the money you need, because मैं ये पैसा आज दूं या कल दूं, I have to give. So why not I have to give the today scenario? Okay. So money is coming within the relative and during the marriage time. During the marriage time, we have seen lots of the lifafa or envelope is coming, and it is the some lifafa has envelope has the 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. That will depend ki how you are the connected with that person, or in to whom you have invited, or etc. All those things. So I'm not going to discuss. So gift is related to goods. Gift is related to money. So if money is small, like 500, 1,000, 2,000, then it is a negligence or there is no need to. But if gift is the big, like 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees, then you have to think about the income tax. Like I have given the example of my father. I have given the example of my father where my father is saying ki I will give the gift to around 20 lakh rupees. Okay. And I have the 12 lakh rupees. The total, we are going to make the down payment 32 and balance money around 65. We will borrow from bank. Okay. So income tax department can ask question to me if I have not disclosed this gift amount from my father to income ITR. Then income tax department can ask question to me, ki, Manish, your salary income is 50 lakh rupees per annum, and you have filed uh, a return of the 50 lakh rupees. It's okay, but in your bank, 15 plus 20, Mr. Abdesh Prasad has transferred to you. May I know why he has given money to you, and if it is the money received by you, so why not you have disclosed as the income? That particular time I have to give the explanation with the all detail relevant document like bank statement, etc., and a relationship with me and my father. He is my father and he has transferred from this account to this account, and after that I have purchased the some asset, I have purchased the some property with help of my father amount. If I have disclosed this gift 20 lakh rupees in my ITR, then there will be no such as the question. Or if the income tax department even asks the question related to that particular money, so my case is the more strong. But when I have not shown in my ITR, then my case is the weak. Okay, so that I'm saying, okay, once the amount is big, like 50, more than 50,000, then you have to think and you have to disclose in your ITR. If it is the 100, 2,000, 500, 5,000, suppose that there is a one party like my birthday party, and some friends had given the pen, some friends had given diary, and some friends had just transferred the 5,000, 2,000, etc. It is the less than 50,000 rupees. Okay, then I have not to worry. But if gift amount or anyone has given the amount that is exceeding 50,000 rupees in cumulative and the single, then we have to think about the income tax. So my topic was the mutual fund. So mutual fund, I have the discussed to you ki what is the mutual fund. Mutual fund is the fund which is created by mutual fund house, and it is the pool money ki Mr. X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, they are investing, they are funding some money. Like someone can give the 1,000, someone can give the 2,000, someone can give the 1 lakh rupees, someone can give the 1 CR rupees. Okay, and once the amount will bigger amount, then mutual fund house with help of the expert person, they invest in the various shares with help of the expert, they invest in the bonds or etc. Lots of the person location where they earn some profit, and profit is distributed to you in your investment proportion, that is the mutual fund. So now suppose that my father has purchased one mutual fund 10 years ago, and he want to give me ki Manish, I want to give the mutual fund of the XYZ 100 unit to you. that I have the purchase 10 years back, and that time face value was only 10 rupees, and now it is the fair market value is the 100 rupees. So within the 10 to 15 years, it is the 10 times. Let's assume it is the 10 times, and my father wants to transfer to me. So what is the process? The process is that first my father has to redeem. What is the meaning of the redeem? Whatever the location he has a demat account, he has to sell out. Like uh, when he has purchased, what was the face value? 10 rupees. And now he's selling what is the fair market value? 100 rupees. So my father has to give the income tax on the 90 rupees. 90 rupees is the capital gain. And suppose that I have the 1000 unit, so 90 multiply 1000. So it's become 99 lakh rupees. So on the 9 lakh rupees, my father has to give the tax, that is the capital gain, because it is the long term. Because my father has purchased this mutual fund in 2010, and any asset, any financial asset that has been held more than 12 months is considered as a long term, and long term taxation is only 12.5%. So first my father has to give the 12.5% interest on the 9 lakh rupees. So first he will redeem, then he will pay the capital gain, he will pay the security transaction tax, and whatever the money he has, so he will transfer to me. So this is the process where any relative or anyone can transfer the mutual fund. But now you will say, no, what you are saying? It is the transfer of the mutual fund, it is the transfer of money. So yes, it was happening right before that. So due to that, SEBI has changed the some rule, and now they have told me, they have made the direction, they have made the rule. Okay, now you can directly transfer mutual fund. So before this rule, it was the happening. Okay, my father, my mother, my relative want to transfer mutual fund, then they cannot transfer mutual fund to directly to me. First, they have to redeem. It means they have to sell out, and whatever the capital gain is to security transaction they have to pay, and balance money they can give to me. So that was the process. Now, SEBI has seen the this kind of the issues, and they have changed the rule. Now they are saying, "Ki now you can directly gift mutual fund to anyone." Like my father is saying, Manish, I have purchased a mutual fund of XYZ Private Limited, XYZ mutual fund house, and that time particular time 10 rupees, and now it is the 100 rupees. Okay, so if I will, my father will sell out and I will purchase, then how much I have to pay? I have to pay the 100 rupees. Okay. My father has to pay the capital gain. My father has to pay security transaction tax. Even I have to pay the security transaction tax. Okay. So now SEBI has taken the new rule. Now they are saying ki there is no need of the redeem. Last time what we have seen, redemption, capital gain taxation, security transaction taxation, and amount whatever you have purchased, you can transfer to your son, and son can purchase. If he is interested in that particular bond, mutual fund, he will purchase the same, otherwise he can purchase anything. Okay, now department is saying, SEBI has make the rule, now you transfer directly. So directly but means ki whatever the share, suppose that I have the unit 100 unit of XYZ mutual fund house, so my father will sorry, my father will directly transfer 100 100 unit to me without selling. Without selling, matlab there will be no redemption, there will be no capital gain. Only I will get the number of unit out that will be in my name. So now SEBI is saying it is the direct transfer. But what we have to do, we have to make the demat account. We are aware that there are the lots of the bank, there are the lots of the portal like Grow है, NJ है, PNB है, बहुत सारे portal है. They are using the demat account for the mutual fund. They are using the demat account for equity share. So for the mutual fund, they are saying you have to open demat account with that house. Suppose that I have the demat, my father has the demat account with ABC Private Limited, and I have the demat account with XYZ Private Limited. So my that mutual fund will not be directly transferred to me. First, I have to open demat account in ABC Private Limited, where my father have the already account. Now I have the already account. Then transfer can be taken places. Okay. then both person, transfer करने वाला और received करने वाला, both person has to do KYC done. So we have to do the 3 step. First, SEBI is saying you can do the directly transfer, but you have to make the request to that mutual fund house, and that mutual fund house, both of you, transferer or transferee, मतलब then receiver or sender or receiver, both must have the demat account in the same account. If sender, definitely he has the demat account in that particular mutual fund house, but receiver, if he don't, he or she don't have the demat after that, mutual fund will be directly transferred. So what is the benefit? Benefit is the saving of the time and cost. Now you will say how you can say it is the cost. Reason is that I have not to, my father has not to pay the capital gain, because directly same number of the mutual fund is transferred in my name. There is no redemption, there is no capital gain, there is no security transaction. So it is the saving of time as well as the cost. Compounding, as we are aware there is a impactable return if we have kept any instrument for the longer time. Okay, that is the 5 year, 10 year, 20 year, then it is the compounding impact. So once my father has told after 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, then I'm not able to get the such kind of the compounding impact. But my father has kept for the 5 years, and I'm going to keep another 5 years. So definitely in the 10 year, I can have the good compounding impact. So this is a good thing to get the compounding impact. And no tax. And last one thing, my father transferred to me, then there is no tax in the hand of my father, and also there is no taxation in my hand. When I will sell out, this mutual fund, whether it is the very next day, 1 month, 2 months, 5 months, but there is the one lock-in period in the transfer of the mutual fund, that is the 10 days. Okay, within the 10 days, I cannot sell. So it's okay, 10 days is nothing. So if I'm selling after 10 days, then there will be the taxation only in my hand. There is no taxation in my father's hand. Okay. So this is the good thing that SEBI has taken, and this rule has been classified in the this week. Sorry, last week. Okay. So it is a very good thing for investor. Now, if mutual fund has been transferred from relative to relative, then there is no tax. And if it is the other than relative, then it is the taxation. Okay, relative means father to son, there is no taxation. Husband to wife, there is no taxation. Brother to sister, there is no taxation. Son to father, there is no taxation. So if you are the close relative, then there is no taxation. But it is the other than relative, then it is the taxation. When your total gift amount is exceeding 50,000. Suppose that my friend is going to marriage, okay, and I'm interested to give the around 51,000 rupees as a gift or etc. So what I did, I have purchased the one mutual fund 5 years back in the only 5,000 rupees. Now it is the 51,000. So I want to transfer. Because मेरे को अभी कुछ पैसा नहीं लगा. 5 साल 10 साल पहले 5,000 रुपया लगा था, तो just I am interested to transfer. So for that, if I will transfer mutual fund to my friend, then my friend has to give the tax because it is the gift for him, and he has to pay the tax on the 51,000, but there is no taxation for me. Okay. But if he's my relative, like my brother, my sister, my son, okay, then there is no such as the taxation. So that we have to understand. Okay, mutual fund tax is the established, and there is no taxation if transfer is done within the relative, and other than relative it is the taxation. But we have to understand you have to make you have to demat account in the same company, or both sender or receiver has to must be completed KYC. So I hope you got my point, and if you have any point, you can ask. So thank you everyone to listening. My topic related to transfer of mutual fund.
Thank you, Manish. It is very interesting. So, how to initiate the process if we want to transfer?
Ma'am, actually, SEBI has made the rule, but they have not given the full-fledged rule ki how it is the process. But as I think first we have to give the intimation to my RM or my mutual fund house ki I want to transfer this shares. Suppose that I have the 5 shares, uh, A, B, C, D, and I'm thinking whether I can transfer the whole mutual fund, or I can transfer only one mutual fund, or मान लो ए में मेरे पास 100 शेयर है, 100 यूनिट्स है, तो मैं उसमें से 10 ट्रांसफर करना चाहता हूँ. तो फर्स्ट आई हैव टू मेक द रिक्वेस्ट टू माई mutual fund house. Then they will ask KYC of the receiver. They will ask whether he has the account in my mutual fund house or not. अगर वो दोनों complete हो जाता है तो from my account has they have taken, or they will transfer to them. So exact process they will issue within the 1 and 2 week, but it is law has been established, and now you want to gift anyone, then you can do it.
Thank you, Manish. Yeah. Premji, Jayaji, do you have any question?
I'm very excited and happy that this has happened, as I am 64 years old and I'm already thinking, what can I do and how can I leave assets behind? And so, why I have to wait for a nominee name only? I can, while I'm still alive and while I'm still here, I can consider transferring to my relatives, maybe my sister, brother, whatever, or to
Definitely you
my.
can.
So also maybe the SEBI will issue what relative means, or is it the same thing as per tax definition relative?
No, I hope कि it is the relative definition of the relative will be same as per the income tax department, because it will be the very difficult कि income tax में आप कुछ और रखो, यहाँ पर कुछ और रखो, because
हाँ
both are the related to money and
हाँ.
taxation. तो वहां पर कुछ और होगा, यहाँ कुछ और होगा, तो वो बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा. तो both definition in the both location will be same.
तो ये तो बहुत ही बेहतरीन हुआ है. आजकल बच्चों का शादियां वादियां आती हैं, तो ये बहुत बेहतरीन तरीका है बच्चों को गिफ्ट देने का.
Definitely, ma'am.
And instead of a cash movement, it can be beautifully given in the form of a mutual fund transfer of our existing portfolio.
Definitely.
So
और
I'm
इसमें सबसे
so
बड़ी बात क्या है
grateful.
कि वी हैव नॉट टू पे द कैपिटल गेन, वी हैव नॉट टू पे द ट्रांसफर टैक्सेशन एसटीटी. तो ये सब सारी की सारी कॉस्ट सेविंग है हमारे लिए.
जी जी. पर शायद गिफ्ट टैक्स तो फिर भी लगता होगा, गिफ्ट
मैम,
टैक्स.
देयर इज नो गिफ्ट टैक्स इन इंडिया. अब गिफ्ट टैक्स खत्म हो चुका बहुत पहले.
ओके ओके, ठीक. सो थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू. बहुत बढ़िया प्रेजेंटेशन.
Yeah,
थैंक
actually,
यू.
when Savana ji has called me कि मनीष you have to take the today's session, तो उसे 10 मिनट पहले ही मैंने ये वाला न्यूज पढ़ा, तो मैंने सोचा कि आज इसी पर टॉपिक करते हैं.
बहुत टॉपिकल है सर. और फिर ये जो जरूरी इंफॉर्मेशन है विथ मार्केट फ्लक्सेस, जिस तरह से गोल्ड तेजी पकड़ रहा है, और कैश देकर हम एक कान का बूंदा भी किसी बच्चे को दें तो ना दिखाई देगा ना कुछ करेगा, और ये उनके लिए वेल्थ ग्रो कराने वाला एक गिफ्ट रहेगा. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड हैप्पी फॉर दिस प्रेजेंटेशन टुडे.
Yeah, so once I will get the whole information कि what is the exact transfer process, तो I will share on the WhatsApp group.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
Yeah.
Thank you, Manishi. Thank you, everyone. And see you.